The welcome bike next 2026 BMW S750RR arrives as one of the most anticipated middleweight superbikes of the decade, taking inspiration from its larger sibling, the legendary S1000RR, but packaged in a more accessible and versatile form. It's a bike built for riders who crave the adrenaline of high-performance sport riding but don't necessarily want the intimidating power or price tag of a full-liter machine. BMW has refined the formula here with a sharp balance of agility, advanced electronics, and stunning design. The heart of the S750RR is a newly developed 750cc inline-four engine, engineered to deliver a thrilling yet manageable riding experience. This motor churns out around 135 horsepower at higher revs, paired with an extremely smooth torque curve that keeps the bike alive across the entire rev range. Unlike some middleweight sport bikes that can feel hollow at lower speeds, the S750RR has been tuned to offer strong mid-range grunt for city riding and quick overtakes, while still screaming to its redline when pushed hard on the track. It's paired with a 6-speed gearbox that integrates BMW's latest ShiftCam technology, allowing variable valve timing for both efficiency and performance. Riders can also enjoy the Quick Shifter Pro system as standard, giving clutchless upshifts and downshifts with a seamless feel. Handling has always been a BMW strength, and the S750RR carries that reputation forward. Built on a lightweight aluminum frame inspired by the S1000RR, the bike tips the scales at just under 190 kilograms dry, making it nimble through corners and exceptionally responsive to rider input. The suspension system features fully adjustable inverted forks at the front and a monoshock at the rear, tuned for both track aggression and road comfort. BMW has also equipped the bike with dynamic damping control, meaning the suspension adapts in real time to road conditions and rider behavior, creating an almost telepathic connection between machine and rider. Electronics are another standout area where BMW sets itself apart. The S750RR comes loaded with rider aids that are rarely seen in this displacement category. Riders get multiple riding modes including rain, road, dynamic, and track, each fine-tuning throttle response, traction control, and ABS settings. Corner and ABS, lean-sensitive traction control, and wheelie control come standard, making the bike forgiving for newcomers but adjustable enough for experienced riders to unleash its full potential. The TFT display is a high-resolution 6.5-inch unit with smartphone connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, and customizable riding data. The user interface is sleek and easy to navigate, with BMW's signature handlebar controller dial making manual adjustments effortless even at speed. Visually, the S750RR is unmistakably BMW. It inherits much of the sharp, asymmetric styling cues of its bigger sibling, with aerodynamic winglets integrated into the fairing for stability at high speeds. The LED lighting system is aggressive, with distinctive DRLs that give the bike a predatory stance even when standing still. The sculpted tank, narrow waist, and high tail unit all emphasize its sporty DNA while keeping rider ergonomics in check. BMW has struck a careful balance here, committed enough for track use but comfortable enough for longer rides. Practicality hasn't been ignored either. The riding position is aggressive, but not extreme, with clip-on handlebars and slightly rear-set foot pegs designed to accommodate both commuting and spirited weekend rides. The seat height sits at around 820 mm, making it approachable for a wide range of riders, and BMW offers optional seat adjustments to tailor ergonomics. Fuel efficiency, thanks to ShiftCam technology and ride-by-wire optimization, is impressive for a sport bike of this caliber, with real-world consumption expected to hover around 28-22 km per liter depending on riding style. As for braking, the S750RR is fitted with twin 320mm discs up front, gripped by radially mounted Brembo calipers, and a single disc at the rear. Braking power is immense yet progressive, with ABS Pro ensuring stability under hard braking, even while leaned over. This confidence inspires riders to push the limits on both road and track, knowing the electronics and hardware are working together seamlessly. One of the most compelling aspects of the S750RR is its positioning in the market. BMW has priced it competitively, around $12,999 to $13,499 depending on trim and options, making it a more attainable alternative to the S1000RR without sacrificing the brand's signature innovation and quality. For riders who want BMW engineering, advanced electronics, and distinctive styling but in a more approachable package, the S750RR is an irresistible option. Unique selling points for this model include the integration of ShiftCam technology in a middleweight bike, something competitors have yet to fully adopt. Add to that the inclusion of adaptive suspension, winglets for improved aerodynamics, and a suite of advanced electronics that are usually reserved for higher-end superbikes, and you begin to see why the S750RR stands out in a crowded segment. It's designed not just as a stepping stone to the S1000RR, but as a standalone machine that can satisfy riders across a wide spectrum of experience. In essence, the 2026 BMW S750RR is a superbike distilled into a more approachable form. It combines the thrill of performance with the sophistication of BMW technology, wrapped in a design that demands attention. Whether you're carving up mountain roads, chasing lap times on the track, or simply enjoying the freedom of two wheels, the S750RR delivers an experience that is both exhilarating and refined. For riders looking to strike the perfect balance between power, precision, and practicality, this bike is one of the most exciting additions to the 2026 lineup.